What would you do about mental health services, particularly for the youth in the community?
So mental health services is one of the things that has been cut back drastically during the recession. And so as an assembly member, I would work hard to restore some of those programs. And we need to have not just mental health programs, but other programs that can help our young people, help our homeless people, and help others who've been who've lost so much during this downturn.
I'm a social worker and have been for 25 years, and I actually work for a mental health agency, and we provide services to thousands of youth in Alameda County and Contra Costa County to provide support for dealing with trauma. And in that capacity, I was able to work with members of the legislature to expand Medi-Cal to provide more mental health for some of our most vulnerable young people, foster youth in particular. But what I would do is, as an assembly person, work to expand and improve our Medi-Cal reimbursement rates so that we could expand Medi-Cal mental health programs for our youth. Sadly, California has the lowest Medi-Cal reimbursement rate of any state in the nation. We've got to take all of the taboo out of the conversation about mental health. We all know someone who has experienced trauma or violence or some other issue that might impact them. And we've got to be supportive, and if we put our money where our mouth is by increasing the Medi-Cal reimbursement rate and putting more money into our mental health programs and the school-based mental health programs that I've had a chance to build, we can really support our young people in becoming strong, healthy young adults in our community.